In this lesson, learn how to ask questions using the simple future tense with the helping word will. It shows what someone is going to do in the future. For example, will you go? Or will she help? By the end, you will understand how to form and use such questions naturally in conversation. To form a question in the simple future tense, use the word will before the subject. That means will comes first, followed by the person, and then the base form of the verb. For example, will you go to school? Will she come with us? Will they help me? It is a simple and regular pattern that works for all subjects in English. When making a question with will, the word order changes. Start with will, then say the subject, and finally use the base verb form. For example, will you call me tomorrow? Notice that there is no S at the end of the verb and no helping verb do or does. The word will is the only auxiliary needed to show the future tense. Listen to some examples of how English speakers use will in questions. Will you help me with this project? Will they join us for dinner? Will it rain tomorrow? Will she travel next month? Each question asks about something expected or planned in the future. Pay attention to the rhythm and how the question tone rises slightly at the end. When someone asks a question using will, you can answer briefly using short forms. For example, will you come? Yes, I will, or no, I will not. The contraction won't means will not. Will she help? Yes, she will, or no, she won't. Using short answers sounds natural and polite in everyday conversation. To ask for more specific information, add a question word before will. These are called WH questions because they often start with what, when, where, who, or why. For example, what will you do? When will he come? Where will they stay? This form asks for details instead of a simple yes or no answer. Now practice forming your own questions with will. Use real-life situations to make them meaningful. For example, will you visit your parents this weekend? Will he finish his work on time? Will they call you tonight? Say your questions aloud and listen to the natural sound of future tense sentences. Let us review what you have learned. To ask a question with will, place will before the subject, followed by the base verb. For example, will you study tomorrow? Short answers use yes, I will, or no, I won't. For more details, begin with a WH word such as what, when, or where. These patterns help you speak clearly about the future in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.